Can you borrow from your SACCO to put that money in a money market fund and pocket the difference? Everyone on WhatsApp says yes. Today we do the actual math, and the answer will surprise people shouting the loudest. You know exactly where this chai comes from. That usual chama meeting where someone whispers they borrowed 1 million and it's working. The WhatsApp forward after AGM season, dividends 21%, loans 12%, free money, bro. And that TikTok guy with a screenshot of 18%. Well, everyone sounds rich, but nobody shows the statement. Stick with me. Today we debunk the truth. And honestly, the idea is not stupid. That's what makes it dangerous. Everyone knows this drill. You put your money in a SACCO, the deposits earn you interest, and your shares earn dividends. And we probably know this one too. Borrowing cheaply against your own savings, up to 3 times your deposits. That's real leverage from the same SACCO you already trust. Now, the question is, can you borrow money from a SACCO and put it in a money market fund? Stay with me. One number decides everything. The spread. In very simple terms, it's what the money earns minus what the loan costs. A positive spread means your branch manager knows you by your full names. A negative spread, you may as well confirm your employment ID because now you're working for that SACCO. Let's see what the numbers say. Today's numbers, not 2022 screenshots. A standard SACCO development loan offers 1% per month on reducing balance. That's about 12% a year on what you still owe, not on the original amount. Borrow 500,000 over 1 year, and the total interest comes to about 33,000, not 60. If a lender ever tells you 1% per month flat, just run. Monthly repayment around 44,000. And here's the word that matters. That repayment is guaranteed. Rain or shine, the SACCO gets paid. Now, the money market fund side. The best fund in Kenya right now has a pretty 13.8% on the poster. But remember from episode 2, you need to see that one. I'll put the link in the description. KRA unapologetically takes 15% withholding tax off that interest. So the real number that adds the zeros to your account is 11.7%. Some good funds provide 9.9, but the average fund 7.7, and that is the honest table. Now let's break this down. 12% going out, 11.7 coming in, and that's the best fund in the country. The net result minus 0.3%. My guy, the very best case in Kenya today loses money. Higher, a normal good fund minus 2%. The average fund minus 4.4. And with the central bank's knife sharper than mama mbogas, this gap is growing every month. It is not slowing down. The move everyone is forwarding is arithmetically working against you, guaranteed. Now, somebody is already typing, bro, the interest is only 33,000. The MMF pays about 50. That's profit. I love this comment. Let's kill it with love. Number 1, after tax, it's not 50. It's about 49.5 on a good year. Number 2, to leave the 500k untouched, you repaid 44,000 a month from your own salary. 533,000 of your money walked into this deal. Number 3, and this is the one that hurts, take that same 44,000 a month and invest it directly into the same fund. You end the year in almost the same place, plus you keep the 33,000 interest. The loan added risk, it added cost, and it added nothing else. So, is SACCO leverage always a trap? No. The video that inspired this one used a special fund targeting 18%. That's a totally different animal with higher risk, not a money market fund. Leverage is genius when 3 things line up. The asset clearly earns more than the loan costs. You can repay from income without touching the investment. And your emergency fund already exists somewhere else. A stock for your business, a rental deposit, a transport business that cash flows. That's productive borrowing. Yield chasing into a savings product is not simple as that. So, is it a genius move or trap? For a money market fund in July 2026, it's a trap. Not because money market funds are bad. Episode 1 is literally about why they are good. The problem is the spread. It is negative. Before any borrowed shilling goes into any investment, ask these 3 questions. Number 1, does the net return after tax beat my loan rate? Number 2, can I repay from salary without touching the investment? Number 3, if this goes wrong, do I still have my emergency fund? 3 yeses? Worth a serious look. 1 no? You already have your answer. Screenshot this. It is the whole tool. Now I want the comment section to earn its keep. Would you ever borrow to invest? Tell me what you'd put it in. I reply to every single comment. If you haven't watched the SACCO episode, that's your next stop. The 4 checks live there. 1, practical money move every week. The math doesn't lie. People do see you inside.